my name is Kurt Kotrschal. I'm in charge of the Konrad Lorenz Research Station for behavioral biology in Grünau since 1990. Around the year 2000 we started human-animal relationship work in Vienna, and about 2008 we started wolf and dog research in Ernstbrunn. This human-animal research was motivated by the fact that humans cannot be explained if you don't consider their relationship with other animals. And an animal which is particularly close to us is the dog. Our ancestors ran into wolves some 40,000 years ago, and since 35,000 years we are in the company of dogs. Which means the dogs have adapted very closely to our needs, and they are our closest friends and collaborators, so to speak, and so it's very important to know what the relationship is about. We also know that dogs can be exceedingly important for people, also with respect to health and other aspects. But we don't know too much about what structures the relationship between particular humans and their dogs, and this was the focus. So we asked what kind of personality structure do the owners have, how does that transmit to interaction styles, and how does that again transmit to how the dog behaves towards the outside, towards people and towards other dogs, for example, and how does that affect the quality of the interaction. And we found quite a lot of relationships, and we also found that, of course, the partners are amazingly important with respect to mutual stress management. The world is changing at an increasingly rapid pace. This means also the human-animal relationship is changing. Already the last 2 or 3 decades, cats and dogs became social partners, child substitutes, and this kind of real close partners, which has not been the case before in so many people. So it's the new challenge really is to look into this and to see what it means for the animals, but what it means for the people. If we wouldn't have the FWF, the Austrian Science Fund, reasonable and high quality basic research at excellent levels wouldn't be possible. So my career wouldn't have been possible, and the same what's true for me is also true for the community. So the Austrian community of basic scientists is only existing because of the Austrian Science Fund, and I'm quite optimistic that with increasing funding for important basic research you will get more and more public interest, and therefore also more and more political backing for decision makers to fund basic science.